To control Explode View parameters, configure Explode steps using a list, checkbox, or configuration variable input. This pneumatic cylinder contains a pre-existing Explode view and needs to be configured to explode certain objects, hide or show explode lines, and change hardware spacing. A list input is used to control the exploded state of certain objects. The list input is created and named components. 3 configurations are created: full explode, cap explode, and mount explode. Cap and mount explode displays each end of the cylinder in an exploded state. Objects are added to the component's configuration input by editing the first explode step and right-clicking inside the instances box. Select Configure. Once selected and accepted, the number of instances are listed in and controlled by the components table. Repeat the previous steps for the remaining explode steps. For the cap explode configuration, the mounting end of the cylinder is not exploded. Double-click on the instances cells and clear the instances section to remove those objects from the explode view and configuration. References will turn red when they are no longer available. In this case, those selections need to stay as they are required for other configurations. Repeat the previous steps for the mount explode configuration, clearing cap instances instead. A checkbox input is used to control explode line visibility. A checkbox input is created and named Explode Lines with the default checked on. Edit an explode step and right-click on Explode Lines. Select Configure with Explode Lines. Once accepted, the explode line appears in the explode line configuration table. Update the checkbox accordingly for the unchecked state. If Accept is not selectable, add any object into the Instances dialog and immediately remove it. Accept then activates. Repeat the previous steps for the remaining explode steps. A configuration variable is used to control the spacing of standard content when exploded. A configuration variable is created and named hardware distance. Length is selected as type with the following parameters: default value of 3.5 inches, minimum value of 1/2 inch, and a maximum value of 7 inches. This allows the standard content spacing to vary from 1/2 to 7 inches, while having a default spacing of 3.5 inches. Once accepted, the configuration variable input displays in the configuration panel as hardware distance. Edit a standard content explode step. Right-click on the distance value and select Set to Hardware Distance. Once accepted, the explode step appears in the hardware distance table. Repeat the previous steps for the remaining standard content explode steps. To view an exploded configuration, activate the Explode view and change parameters in the configuration selector. As parameters are changed, the exploded assembly updates accordingly.